Wow. Just wow. 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 What a freaking week. 60% gain on Progenity last week and more to come. So much was going on. All I gotta say is hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet. It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going over Progenity or PROG stock. Guys, that was wild. Prog week was officially a success, and Prog week isn't over, guys. We got new Prog weeks in the future. We built out them gamma ramps for 12/17 and January of 2021 as well. So that's the best part of Prog week, the fact that this is not over and that we're extending this into the future. We got some more of the float, likely. There's a chance that retail owns a bit more of the stock now, and it's just going to be awesome. We're going right in line with the Wyckoff pattern still, and I'm just so excited, guys. So hit that like on the video, subscribe for more content, and hit that post notification bell down below so you don't miss it when we go live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. You better hit that bell down below or else I will. I don't know. I'll just make you rich. But anyways, let's get right into it. So as you guys can see right here, we have the Wyckoff. Obviously, phase D was a little weird. We completely overshot here on Tuesday, right? We went up to new highs of almost, we hit $6.40 and we sold off. There was a lot of dark pool volume right here on this candle, obviously. And the consolidation phase, I mean, it ended up getting here to this region where it was consolidating on the Wyckoff. It almost sold off perfectly to where I had it aligned. I mean, we saw lows of about what, $3.86. That's where we had it. Yeah, $3.94. So it's pretty much in line with the Wyckoff, and then on Friday we started going up, so that would signal for phase E. Phase D was obviously weird, right? But it looks like we're moving into phase E. And if we want to look back at the previous option expiration, we'd have to scroll back here to October 15th. If we find it right here, boom, this was October 15th, right? Massive options expiration in October. Tons of call options were in the money. Same thing, same deal that we have this week as of 11/19, right? Then you see on Monday that it rallies up like crazy. So this is not over whatsoever. So be careful, guys, and plan your trades accordingly. I think we have some good price action here next Monday and Tuesday. We complete phase E of this Wyckoff, and let's just get it going, guys. Let's get it going. Let's take a look at some of these options right here. You can see that there are tons of open interest here in these December 17th. You can see 21,000 right here for the 5, 22,000 for the 5.5. 33,000 for the 7.5. So we've built out that gamma ramp for the future. I can't be more excited. We own more of the float. You see this float's up here to 148,000. We're up about 60% on the week. The company has enough cash to last them through Q3 of 2022, as said by their earnings call. So there's so much to be bullish about with Progenity. Obviously, shorts have lost a boatload of money as well. There's all of this. Monday and Tuesday is going to be wild. We're running it back on that live stream. Taking a look at the price action from Friday, we're going to zoom in on this minute candle. It was just so weird. We started under $4 per share, so that's a massive strike price right here. We blasted through $4.51. We use this fib band right here as a little bit of a resistance point. We use this fib level right here as well as a little bit of a resistance point. Here again, it used the fib level as a resistance point, but we ended up blasting through, putting those 4.5s in the money, and then this is when it got really weird, guys. All right, so we blast through this fib level, right? We sell off back down below, blah blah blah. We blast through it. We don't blast through it, but we go above it again, and we test it 3 more times. Boom, boom, boom. That's 4 total times that we broke through the fib level, right? And the fact that we did not continue to go, and it was right around the $5 level, which, might I add, 38,000 call options were expiring at that $5 strike price. So if we did expire at like over $5 a share, that would be an additional about 4 million shares that would have had to be delivered. So you can see right here at 2:30 p.m. this candle right here actually expired under this fib level. So if we go back to the minute chart, and I just want to show you guys the manipulation that they do on a little psychological level here, you can see that at 1410 through about 1420, we were trading over that fib level, and they were able to drop us down below that right in time for 1430, and that would allow for this hourly candle to actually expire. If we go back, boom, 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 expire right here below that fib level. And on a technical level, if you're looking at the hourly candles, it looks like it's just teeter-tattering through the fib level. So even though we broke out of this fib level many different times on the minute candles, they were able to push it down and make that hourly candle look a little less bullish than it should have been, right? And this is what they do. They use the technicals, they manipulate it, they make it crazy, and they make it look like something is bearish when in fact it should be bullish. And that's what they've been doing, and that's how they steal a lot of money from retails. And a lot of people lost money on both the call option side and the put option side this week, right? If you bought in this week, a lot of people bought calls over here. If you bought calls over here, you got absolutely burned, right? You were chasing and you got burned. I mean, not everyone got burned from doing it, but a lot of people did, right? And then people bought puts too over here, right? But then if you held it through 1119, put holders also got burned. So this is what they do, guys. They capitalize off of FOMO, and they manipulate the price so that they can extract as much money out of option holders as possible on both the long and the short side. So be careful, guys, when you're doing these options. Yes, we love the gamma squeezes. We love all the price action that comes with a gamma squeeze. But at the end of the day, we're trying to get shorts to cover on this stock, right? And options do, in fact, lose a lot of money. And those are dollars that you can put towards shares. So just be aware of that. And if you did lose money, then plan accordingly. Anyways, guys, if you wanted to check out this charting software, this is WeBull Desktop. You can see the promotion on the screen right now. It's up to $2,300 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. Actually, 1 penny. 1 penny, you can get up to $2,300. Absolutely insane. It's absolutely phenomenal for technical analysis, charting, and just financial analysis in general. They're on iOS, Android, and desktop. So pretty much any device you can download WeBull and get these free stocks. Just make an account, deposit 1 penny, boom, up to $2,300. As you guys can see right here, it's absolutely insane. You can make watch lists, boom, and I'll look at all of these different stats. If we go back to the chart, you can look at the option chains, which I do a lot, look at the news, look at the financial statements, analyst ratings, order flows, level 2 data. They don't have it right now because it's not trading hours, but you guys are getting the point. It's absolutely phenomenal. And again, deposit 1 penny on their platform, you get up to $2,300. Links are below in the description or pinned comments section. If we look right here, we're still on this regulation threshold security list. Absolutely insane. We've been here for a month now, and they continue to have massive amounts of failure to deliver. I almost say that this list doesn't mean anything at all. It's insane. BBIG's on this list now. AGC, this is another one that could, in fact, go parabolic. So plan your bets accordingly. If we're looking at Ortex didn't give us a signal. Fintel also dropped us down to 15. They changed it on Fintel, but Ortex didn't give us a signal this week for a short squeeze. I don't know, kind of fishy. I think they would have, but we got the Hootmoney signal, baby. We got the Hootmoney short squeeze signal, so there's absolutely no worries. Looking at the Ortex data right here, you guys can see 111% cost to borrow. What I really want to focus on, though, everything's pretty much the same. What I really want to focus on is the on-loan new and these on-loan returns. If you see right here, the return shares as of Friday was about 5.68 million. If we go back to the chart, we go back 2 days, boom. Boom. This was the day that we fell a lot. This was a lot of short covering right here. This was the accumulation day. I was saying it throughout the day. It's just feeling like a manipulated accumulation day. The same thing that was going on back here in the Wyckoff, just a massive accumulation pattern. I was feeling the same thing right here. And it looks like that's what we got, right? And if we go back here, you guys can see there was about 7 million new short shares put on loan as of Thursday. And what that means essentially is that there's potentially a lot of people who shorted right around here. And if we look at where we ended out on Friday, about 485, pretty much all of this price action right here, if you shorted the stock on Thursday, you're down on your money. And there was about 7 million shares that were put on loan. Not all of them are necessarily shorted, right? You don't know. But they were put on loan. And I'm almost guarantee a decent chunk of those were in fact shorted. They updated short interest accordingly with those estimates. And yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Going over to Fintel here, we're number 2 on the leaderboard. Threshold security, they moved us down to like 15 at some point. I don't know why. It doesn't make any sense to me, but they did it. Ortex also didn't give us a signal, maybe because they're getting paid off by short sellers. I can't tell you, but we moved up again here on Fintel. Looking at the Fintel data, they had us at 500,000 shares available to be shorted. They're going to keep finding shares, guys. This doesn't concern me. I actually invite shorts to short the stock now. Honestly, that just gives us more juice. I do think shorts will lose money if they short the stock, so I invite people to short the stock as much as possible. Seriously, I really do. The next thing I wanted to take a look at, if we scroll down here, is this short volume ratio. So you can see that it was about 54%, up from 46% on Thursday. It's been at 50% this whole time. We're still a regulation threshold security. We have all those options that need to deliver shares. They're literally just printing fake shares at this point that don't exist, diluting shareholders without the company or shareholder permission. My bad. It just doesn't make sense, but if you do naked short a stock, you failure to deliver it, you're going to have to cover it at some point, right? And likely they're going to have to cover it at a higher price because Progenity was up 60% on the week. Absolutely insane. You can see they had 6 million here as of October 29th. There's more volume in the stock, as you guys can see. I mean, combined total volume was about 245 million, completely demolishing the volume from some of these other days. So, and 149 million the next day. It's just insane. So there's more failure to delivers most likely on the stock. Just more juice, baby. More juice for the squeeze. I love it. I absolutely love it. Coming into the flow right here, you guys can see extremely bullish throughout the day. Extremely bullish. Although there was some unusual put buying right here, as signaled by these alerts. $5 put expiring 11/26. So be careful with that. I'm obviously still bullish. The whales overall were still very bullish, but there was these I'm not going to say diamond in the rough, but I guess needle in the haystack of these $5 11.26. You can see it here. You can see it here, here as well. And then obviously we got the alert as well. Looking at the charts right here, again, 92% bullish, 91%. Very bullish. We're getting very bullish flow almost each and every single day on Progenity stock, so it's looking very good. 121 and 1217 are now the expirations being targeted. A lot of gamblers doing these 1119 as well. Those did expire at this point, so now we're focused on the 1217s obviously, and the 121 2022, and then they also have some tiny open interest here in some of these weeklies as well, going for that $4 strike price and the $5 strike price. So it's slightly out of the money on those, but still it's looking very solid. If we go into this historical flow, the flow actually came up again on Friday from the value it was at on Thursday, and it's just coming with the total volume as well. The flow is looking great. I mean, the options volume is absolutely insane on Progenity, and it's just blowing out of the water what we had over here. It looks like we're coming back up. It's looking like we're setting up for a very parabolic, degenerate, amazing Monday. I couldn't be more excited. Can't make any promises. Obviously, there was those $5 puts that had the alert right here, but I'm thinking that we're doing what we did last October for that expiration. We still have the T+2 settlement, and it should be good to go. Looking at the biggest option trades of the day, 9 out of the 10 were bullish, and the largest of the day was just a cross trade. You can read that right there. A cross trade occurs when a broker executes match buy and sell orders for the same security across different client accounts and report them on an exchange. So this wasn't really a bearish trade. It was just for liquidity reasons, so I'm not even going to count that. So the biggest option trades of the day, in my eyes at least, were entirely bullish. The most active chains were a bunch of these 1119s. Also this $5 put right here, diamond, needle in a haystack. Can't say diamond in a rough. There's a lot of activity on that $5 put. And yeah, overall, guys, this is just looking extremely bullish. I couldn't be more excited for Progenity stock. It looks like we're owning a bit more of the float now, which is extremely bullish. The company has cash through Q3 of 2022, so worrying about dilution shouldn't be on your mind right now. It's just looking looking absolutely insane for Progenity. We got Monday and Tuesday before these options actually clear. They got exercised on Friday, obviously, but 2-day T+2 settlement for those. So the supply is still going to be remaining low on Monday. And if there were any failure to delivers from last week, there were definitely a lot of failure to delivers. They're going to be bought back up before this thing runs absolutely parabolically. I couldn't be more excited. At last week, I was like, this is crunch time. This is where Progenity needs to go up. We did it. We went up 60% on the week, and now we built up open interest in some of these later strike prices. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. This play is extended into the future, and it just has amazing fundamentals, amazing short squeeze mechanics. And I'm just so excited, guys. Thank you guys so much for being with me this entire Progenity week. Drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something today. If you wanted to check out WeBull, again, link in the description or pinned comment section. Up to $2,300 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least 1 penny on their platform. So check it out. Links are below. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace.